Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Go to search bar and type here control panel, then click here to open it. Now go to change account type and click on your account. Okay, now this is a local account. To change its type, click here. And if you select administrator, then click on change account type, and here we go, the account type is changed now. To check it, again go to search bar and type settings, click here, then go to accounts and click on family and other accounts users. Now click here, again click on change account type and select here and select to standard user. From here also you can change the account type. Again go to search bar, select control panel, click here and finally restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.